This is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, crafted for the extraordinary few who demand more from an ultra powerhouse. This is not made for everyone. This is not a toy for amateurs. Definitely not for those who click and hope for a good shot. This is designed to make every detail vivid, every pixel perfect. The line between a phone and a camera, gone. This is where the pinnacle of mobile photography meets raw, unrelenting power. This is not for everyone, but just for the chosen ones. This is it.
Xiaomi.